So let's awaken and change a few belief systems. Competition is natural or cooperation is natural? Holding on to things is natural or sharing with people is natural? Giving is natural because it will flow from me to them. And when we give someone, when we share with someone, when we empower others to move ahead, what do we earn? Visualize again that family stuck on the road. One option, you cross by without helping them. What will we earn? We will earn the opposite of blessings. What is the opposite of blessings? And if we stopped, we helped them, we earn blessings. And blessings create happiness. Because I create a right thought by helping you, and then you create a right thought for me, so double income, while giving and while receiving. But if I am jealous of you, insecure of you, fearful of you, I create a negative thought for you, and in return you create a negative thought for me, depletion in both cases. So like we need to buy money, we need to earn money to buy comfort, we need to earn blessings to create happiness. Look at all the different ways how in the whole day can you earn blessings from people. Dua, blessings. We don't get disturbed at all. We don't get disturbed when the phone rings, right? Simple, hai? How can we earn blessings the whole day? What all do we need to do just to earn blessings? Just visualize your day, same day, everything else is outside is the same. What can I do the whole day to earn blessings? We know what to do the whole day to earn money, which is important, very important, because it will buy me all my comfort. But now I have to earn both the things the whole day. So I leave home at 7 o'clock in the morning and I come home at 7 o'clock in the evening. Throughout the day, I have to work hard to earn money and to earn blessings so that I come home in the evening, I have both the things. I have to bring both the things home. I cannot come home with lots of money and lots of stress. I need to come home with lots of money and lots of happiness. So what can we do in the whole day so that we earn blessings? Don't allow the external things to affect you. Earn blessings. Give to others. What will you give to others? Appreciate them. Appreciate them from here. How many of you know how to appreciate only from here and opposite from here? Anyone knows how to do that? You don't know how to do that? You know how to do that? You're looking so pretty. Appreciate from here. And from here? Wrong energy, conflicting energy. But because I was taught, appreciate everybody. Compliment everyone when you meet them. And I did that because I thought it will make them happy. But I did it only from here. And from here I send them something else. And then I said, I've always been nice to them. Why are they not happy? Because I was nice to them from my words, not from what I was thinking, creating and radiating to them. So appreciate every soul, even if their sanskars don't match yours. Appreciate every soul, which means even if you can't compliment them, don't criticize them. Don't be judgmental about others' sanskars, because if I am judgmental about you, what's the energy that I'm sending you? Ever felt that energy coming from anyone to you? How many of you felt the energy which is different from the words? Have you ever felt this from other people? That the energy, the vibes are different from the words? Please raise your hand. Everyone knows how it feels. So please take care that you don't do that to anybody. Because they can also make out that the vibes and the words that they are getting from you is different. We cannot be happy when we are sending two different energies. So let's not convert here, let's convert here. And send the same energy and the same words. So what all can I do the whole day to earn blessings? How should I earn blessings? Earn blessings means others should create good thoughts for me. How would I be able to do that? There's only one way. There's only one way. Create only and only beautiful thoughts for them. At the Brahma Kumaris, we have a very beautiful slogan in Hindi. It says, Duaएं do, duaएं lo. Give blessings, receive blessings. Easiest way to be happy. No effort at all, expensive gifts, elaborate dinners, nothing has to be done to make people happy. Nothing. But only radiate beautiful energy to them and then in return receive beautiful energy. Happiness is just here. Now check your thoughts that you create for people. And just see, is there anyone for whom I'm not creating a little nice thought? Is there anyone? And you know that nice thought is not that, oh, you're a horrible person. No, it's not like that. It is just being judgmental about people. Being critical about people, not accepting people the way they are. But sometimes we are not able to accept people the way they are because the way they are is creating a disturbance here for me. And so what is natural? Expectation is natural or acceptance is natural? Expectation is natural or acceptance is natural? Right now, choose one person and choose their any one habit which creates a disturbance here for you. Selected? How many have selected? Raise your hands. See, it didn't even take 10 seconds. We didn't even have to pause. There was no time between I completed the sentence and you raised your hand. So, okay, never mind. One person and one habit. Person is there, habit is there, irritation is here. Here. So one separation. Now one thing is very clear. Who is creating that irritation? Nice, acha. Aadha kam ho gaya. Because till we came into this hall, we were saying you are a very irritating person. Right? So till we came into the hall, it was you are irritating. Now awakening is I am creating the irritation. Independence Day. This is independence, separate from them. I am creating the irritation. Fine, I'll finish it. But till I was saying you are irritating, then my irritation would have finished only after you changed. And if you refuse to change, then I would never be happy.